Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the AVR and your device ready. Power on the Denon AVR-S540BT and immediately open its setup menu. This puts you where pairing happens. Once done, use the remote to access Bluetooth settings so the receiver can be discovered. Meanwhile, on your phone or tablet, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the device is visible. This prevents delays and ensures the Denon can detect your source right away, so you can pair without toggling power or inputs later. Now you put the AVR into pairing mode. On the Denon display, select Bluetooth and then the pairing option so it actively advertises itself. Next, on your source device, look for the Denon entry, often labeled similar to Denon AVR-S540BT, and tap it to connect. Make sure you accept any pairing confirmations on both devices. Some phones prompt for code, but most will pair automatically. Once connected, the AVR will show a confirmation and route audio from your device. This is why pairing mode must be engaged first. Finish by playing audio from your device and adjusting the AVR volume so sound routes through the receiver. Make sure the Denon's Bluetooth input is selected as the active source, and confirm the phone's volume isn't at 0. If you get no audio, first check mute and input settings, then try deleting the Denon from your phone's Bluetooth list and repair. If problems persist, restart both the AVR and your device. This clears temporary states and usually resolves stubborn connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.